After processing this hair, bleaching and dyeing, is not looking as it used to look before. You can see how dry the hair is. So dry if you look closely. So what I'm going to be using to revive this hair is Gatsby Miracle Hair Treatment. This is what I'm going to be using. I don't know if you guys can see it properly. This is how it's looking inside. I have used from it though. This is what I'm going to be using to revive this hair because of the way it's looking. I don't like it. So let's go wash it. The first product I'll be using is the revitalized color. This is the first one I use because it's a color hair. So I'm going to be using this to wash it. It's time to use all you want the Gatsby Miracle Hair Treatment. The hair is so soft, you can see. I'm going to be leaving it for 20 minutes for the treatment to penetrate into the strand.